Hello friends, this is Anil Kukreja from Deal Money Research. Let's have a look at the commodities and currencies from a weekly perspective. In this episode of Weekly Watch, we are going to cover gold and silver from the bullion segment, natural gas from the energy segment, zinc from the base metals, while USD INR from the currency segment. Starting with bullion, gold prices and silver prices are currently struck within a range-bound manner. This range-bound movement in bullions is mainly due to the FOMC meeting, which is going to be held on September 15th and 16th. So, the FOMC meeting is going to conclude with the interest rate decision on 16th September at 11:30 pm. Therefore, that would give us a clear direction in gold and silver on the Friday morning. Moving on to the gold chart, gold prices are currently stuck between the range of 50,300 to 52,100 level. Prices are currently testing the higher end of the given range and are trading above the 30 days EMA, that is around the level of 51,000. The momentum indicator RSI, which is at the level of 52, implies the sideways bias for the gold prices in the coming week. Moving on to the silver chart, prices of silver are currently stuck between the range of 66,000 to 71,000 during the current week, with the initial support being at the 30 days exponential moving average around the level of 64,000. Prices have the momentum indicator RSI at the level of 56, which implies the sideways bias in silver as well. Overall, we expect the bullions to trade with a sideways bias until we have a clear decision from the FOMC that would give us a clear direction to trade in bullions for the coming week. Moving on to the energy sector, natural gas prices have retraced from the level of 2,206 and are currently trading at the level of 168. Prices have the initial support of the 30 days EMA, which is at the level of 165. The next support for natural gas would be around the level of 157 and 145, with the resistance being at the level of 190 for the current week. The momentum indicator RSI is at the level of 45, which implies the bearish bias in natural gas is still continuing. Therefore, we expect a sell on rise strategy in natural gas for the week. We can sell natural gas from the level of 177 or 180 with a stop loss above the level of 190 and for the target of 158. Moving on to the base metals. Zinc prices are currently trading within an upward sloping range. Prices are at the support of the lower end of the channel along with the 30 days exponential moving average around the level of 186. The momentum indicator RSI being at 56 implies a sideways to bullish bias in zinc prices. We expect the zinc to trade with a buy on dip strategy during the current week. We can buy the zinc around the level of 191 or 191 levels with a stop loss below the level of 185 and the target of 198 for the coming week. Overall, we expect the metals to trade with a sideways to bullish bias during the current week. Moving on to the currency segment. USD INR prices are currently stuck between the range of 73.10 to 74.50. Prices are currently at the higher end of the given range. Prices have the resistance of the 30 days EMA at the level of 74.50. With the support being at 73.10, we expect the bearish bias to continue in the USD INR as well. The RSI is at the level of 39, which implies the bearish bias in USD INR. We maintain a sell on rise strategy to be continued in USD INR with the main trend being bearish. We expect the reversal only above the level of 74.50. So that's all from this episode. Thank you.